Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 25. A broad-based population pyramid is composed mainly of A. Active inhabitants, B. Old dependents, C. Young dependents, D. More females than males, E. More males than females. Now, to get this into perspective, we need to know what broad-based population pyramid is. Now, what is a broad-based population pyramid, or in other words, a young population pyramid? Now, if we are looking at this young population pyramid, it's a graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population. That is what a population pyramid is. It actually shows a population pyramid shows the graphical illustration of the distribution of various age groups in a population. Now, typically of the one we are looking at, typically that of a country. So it could show of a country. It could also show the age distribution of a region of the world. Now, this forms the shape of a pyramid. It forms the shape of a pyramid. So this graphical illustration actually forms the shape of a pyramid when the population is growing. When the population is growing. Now, a broad or expansive pyramid in this case is one that is very wide at younger age. So if you're talking about a broad base as is given in the question, it has the young people in this very wide area of the pyramid. So we have the younger ages here, which is a characteristic of countries with high birth rates. So you can see things like this for countries with very high birth rates. So countries with high birth rates, they normally exhibit this, and low life expectancy. Hence, the number of young dependents, which are children, are more due to the fact that the population is fast growing. So you can say that this is actually for young dependent, and that makes option E the answer to this, because there are more young people, and you know that young people are dependent. They are dependent on their parents for food, for shelter, and most things. So that's why you see this phrase, young dependent. So whenever you talk about broad-based population, talking about pyramid of this nature with younger ones at this place, you have younger ones growing very fast, ensuring young population, and that makes option C the right answer. Thank you.